All right, so we have some marbles in a bag, and currently 6 out of 18 are red. And we want to add some more red marbles, just red marbles, to get the percentage to be, or the ratio to be 60% or 3/5. Okay, so kind of the idea on this is we're going to add X more red marbles to the total red marbles, but also we have to add that to the total marbles in the bag. Right? Because if we add 5 red marbles, that's going to make 23 total marbles in the bag, right? Because we got to add it on both the top and the bottom. Okay, so one route is you can just guess and check. Like if you take their answer choices, so if we added 12, we'd have 6 plus 12, 18 red marbles, and then 18 plus 12 more total marbles, so that would get us 18 out of 30. And that does actually give us the right 3/5 percentage. Okay, the other route you can do is take this equation of x and then set it equal to the ratio we want, 3/5, and then solve it. Okay, and probably the easiest way to solve this is do cross products. So take 5 times 6 plus x and set that equal to 3 times 18 plus x. Right? And then if you distribute the 5 there, you have 30 plus 5x equals 3 times 18. Sorry, the handwriting's bad there, but 3 times 18 will be 54 plus 3x. And now just solve that. So minus 3x from both sides. So we'd have 30 plus 2x equals 54. And then minus 30 from both sides. So 2x is equal to 24. And then divide by 2, and that gets you the 12 new red marbles, which is the same thing we got with our guess and check method. Thanks for watching.